Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Death Stranding 2 on the beach game. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Death Stranding 2 on the beach game. This is just an example I am showing with another game, and then select properties and then go to the controller tab, and here first select enable Steam input and then just restart the game, and after restarting the game check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to the game properties and go to controller tab, and this time select disable Steam input and then again restart the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2, press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to solve the problem. And then check if the controller is working in Death Stranding 2 on the beach game or not. Fix 3 is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plug peripheral such as USB devices, pen drive, phone, camera, or additional controller, display, mouse, keyboard might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4 is to check if controller is properly connected. So check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. If you are using a wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly, and if you are using a wired controller, then try plugging it into different ports and then check. You can also test your controller on different systems to identify the issue. Fix 5 is to use a wired controller. This is an alternative solution. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. Fix 6 is to restart Steam, restart PC. So close Steam from Task Manager, then relaunch Steam and then launch Death Stranding 2 on the beach game and then check. If that doesn't help, then restart your PC, run Steam as an admin and then launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily solve controller or gamepad not working in Death Stranding 2 on the beach game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.